A Seattle federal judge's order this morning is now blocking President Trump's ban on gender-affirming care.
That injunction follows a multi-state lawsuit over Trump's executive order. KREM 2's Shannon Mowdy is live now to explain what happens next. Shannon?
Well, this doesn't do away with that executive directive, but it does pause its enforcement while Washington state's lawsuit proceeds. U.S. District Judge Lauren King said she doesn't think Trump's order will withstand constitutional scrutiny. A celebration on the courthouse steps Friday, as Washington Attorney General Nick Brown praised a win in the state's fight against President Trump's gender-affirming care order.
This president of the United States is not above the law.
The president's January 28th executive order cut federal money for medical transitions for people under 19 years old. Trump directed federal insurance programs like Medicaid to not cover puberty blockers, hormone therapy, and surgery. And he ordered the Department of Justice to investigate and punish any hospital or institution providing gender-affirming care.
And what we're seeing from this president is a specific undermining of the DOJ's purpose, a specific directive to no longer do civil rights. And it is upsetting to me personally and professionally.
Attorneys for Trump argued he was simply directing federal agencies to carry out his policy preferences. Washington, with Oregon and Minnesota, sued, calling Trump's directive unconstitutional. Friday's ruling means the executive order can't be enforced for now.
Well, we got an important message here from this judge today about the threats that were being made by the President of the United States to criminalize health care.
Brown urged doctors to get back to work under the injunction's protection.
To continue to provide the medically necessary care for their children.
A judge will hear more arguments on the lawsuit in a couple weeks. Now, this is the second block to Trump's order this week. Thursday, a Maryland judge granted a temporary restraining order, putting the president's directive on hold for at least 2 weeks. Shannon Mowdy, KREM 2 News.